Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we're kind of working around a little bit of weather and there's quite a bit of wind, so sorry if that ends up affecting our sound here just a touch. Not a whole lot I can do about that, but today we're going to be working on expanding our asparagus bed, and I wanted to walk you through how to expand a cinder block bed that is set up how we have ours set up. So that way, if you decide that you want to do a cinder block bed, you'll know how you can widen it or lengthen it. Let me show you what we're working with. So first thing that I'm doing, obviously, you don't necessarily need these. We just have those on there because I don't want to have to deal with spiders getting down inside, weeds growing down inside, all that jazz. So we're taking off the top because we're going to be bringing this out a brick. And the reason for that is, as you can see over here, we've got some significant bowing. So all of these corms that we have in here, and we only planted 11, but they have replicated themselves because we have let them go to flower, and then they make those really cool July like little Christmas balls. And then they make more babies that you can see, those little green guys right there. So the bed is not large enough to accommodate all of the corms that we've got going on, which is why we're going to widen it out and give it some space so that way it's not knocking one of the walls over. Now, all of that being said, I'm going to go on ahead and finish getting these brick off. Mom's going to be moving the rest of this mulch out of the way so that we can start taking down the side wall, and then we will show you what we are going to do. It's literally just lining up another brick on the other side and then stacking it exactly the same way. When you extend like this with this style of bed, it's actually really easy to adjust to your needs, as long as you have enough of the cinder block. So I just wanted to show you how easy it is to actually grow in this kind of a situation and in this kind of a raised bed. Okay, here we go. How bad is this one? The offness? Not bad. Hey, that's... Yeah, but are we going to be able to interlock it on the top level, is what I'm saying. I think so, because we have the half and half. Does that make sense? Are you okay? got them over here. Where the roots will let me go. Hand out of there. Nope, you're gonna break the corm. I thought I almost had it and it was like, nope. There's no end. There's no end here. Okay friends, so I am sitting after that. So what we ended up doing over on this side is we got in here and we were trying to adjust the corms and move them that way since we had expanded this backside. Problem came down to the fact that the corms had gone down so deep and had gotten so wide and were so intertangled within each other's root systems that we were just kind of playing asparagus butcher. And so we just sort of cut our losses on that and decided to expand this edge as well, and we came out a half a brick. So that is what we ended up doing. So now we are approximately 4.5 wide. Is that right? Or is it 4?
4.
We are 4 wide, which means we've got about 3 foot in the middle here. So hopefully, if we keep these guys thinned out appropriately, we obviously are going to have plenty of corms to share with friends. This bed is very happy and very healthy, and as you can see is giving us some very, very gorgeous purple asparagus, and now they have room to make more purple asparagus that we can actually harvest and eat this year, which was the end goal. And we also do not have a side of the bed that is caving out and going to be falling over and being a hazard for us and for our animals. So win, win, win. And we got way more asparagus, which is awesome because I can eat as much of that as I like. So that's all I've got for you on this video. I will go on ahead and link at the end of this video our original video on setting up an asparagus bed. So that way, if you are interested in having your own asparagus and getting your own asparagus started, we'll show you exactly how to do that step by step in that video, how to spread out your corms, how to grow them in the best way possible so that you can have these problems like we just had. Although if you make a big enough bed, you won't have these problems.
Living their best life.
But they're definitely living their best life up in here, so you know, I'm happy about that. But I will link that at the end of this video. And guys, as always, keep it simple, natural, and essential. And don't forget to go over and get my free small garden guide. That's right, it is free to you. I will put a direct link down below so that you can avail yourself of that mini guide. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.